A warning has been issued when all those who are supporting now the Vision 2030 constitutional amendments panguva inoyi boya vachinzi endai munobvunza VP Zanuzbc kuti supporting zvigananda, at the end of the day what will happen. Ndizarapita mashoko anobuda nyika panguva inoyi achiratidza kuti aiwa timu reUnder 2030 they are taking from experience. They are urging each and everyone who is part and parcel of now the constitutional amendments, especially those who are actively involved in structuring, mobilizing, outreaching of supporter now the constitutional amendments. Vanzi, be warned. Zarapina mashoko mudanyo kwa panguva inoyi neUnder 2030 sukazvikanada dobo subscribe or like or video icon. Zara nasa mudanyo rachiti. Every responsible institution must stand up against these actions that are destabilizing this nation. He openly disrespects and violates the country, our country's laws. I warn all those being used by him. He uses you, pays you off, and then eliminates your ones. You have served his purpose. Doma developments and West Panapa, the Under 2030 group. Aiwa, unofanda kuchenjerera just because these guys, they are very, very experienced and they know their things. They just use you. And you're expecting that maybe you are going to stay or we are going to earn trust from them, but they will never ever try to understand that consider, but they will just eliminate you after using you. And though my developments are pangwa in a warnings when anyone, especially from the Canada group, who are pushing kuti aiwa ngazviite. Kuna comment section yedu mudzaufungura email kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.